So, you might already know that you gotta apply for some QR codes on Visit Japan Web before you even get there, right? But did you know it's been made easier? Back in January 2024, they combined immigration clearance and customs declaration into one QR code. Also, here's the scoop. The Japanese government downgraded COVID-19 from a high-risk infectious disease to the same level as the flu on May 8, 2023. And they lifted all epidemic prevention restrictions at the same time. So now travelers don't need to show 3 doses of vaccination or a negative certificate. They can just roll up to Japan, vaccinated or not. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the latest version of Visit Japan Web to fill in the electronic version of the Japan Arrival Card Customs Declaration in just 4 steps. If you've never touched Visit Japan Web before, then stick around. Before we jump into step 1, make sure you've got these 3 things ready: your flight tickets to Japan, your passport, and your email address. Step 1 is all about creating a new account on Visit Japan Web. Whip out your phone, go to the Visit Japan Web website, switch to your language, then hit sign up for a new account down below. Punch in your email and password. Step 2 is about registering yourself. Once you've got that account set up and you're logged in, click on your details on the home page, and for all 3 questions, just select No. Then you'll need to enter your passport info. You can either scan it with your camera or type it in manually. If your passport's got less than 6 months left on it, you'll get a heads up about it. After you're done, hit login. And if you're eligible for visa-free entry to Japan based on your nationality or reason for going there, just tick No for the visa details. Step 3 is where you enter your travel plan. Back on the homepage, hit the blue button that says Register New Plan, Enter Create Return at the bottom. If you're planning to visit Japan without a visa, just select Proceed to Registration without copying details for the visa step. Then fill in your arrival time, flight details, accommodation address, and contact number in Japan. Click the Register Plan button, follow the prompts, and you're good to go. If you need a Japan visa, link it up. Otherwise, hit the Immigration Clearance and Customs Declaration button. Answer some questions for customs, double-check everything, then hit register. Boom, you're registered, and you'll get your QR code. Snap a screenshot to have it handy on your phone, just in case you run into internet issues at the airport. If you haven't used Visit Japan Web to register your electronic Japan arrival card ahead of time, you'll have to fill out the paper version. Flight attendants usually hand those out when the plane's getting ready to land, so make sure to ask for one. Alright. The arrival card is all sorted. If you're still not sure what to check out in Japan, why not give our videos about trips to Osaka, Kyoto, and Kobe a watch? You can get some handy travel tips and recommendations from them.